The next example is the photocatalyst. And this one also similar as um, photocatalytic water splitting. The purpose is mainly different. So photocatalytic reactions have been utilized for the decomposition of many organic materials. And in some cases, photocatalytic materials are coated on the wall or of the houses or buildings, and it can keep clean by using the sunlight energy by decomposition of the dirty materials. So here are the things. In this application too, the TiO2 is the most familiar photocatalyst. So what happens here is if you have some TiO2 or semiconductor materials, and light is illuminated on the surface, and electron on holes are generated, same as the case for water splitting case. And this electron holes actually generate the radical species in water. And there are many different types of radical species are known, such as this is O2 minus radical, which is called superoxide radical. And this one is OH radical, which is called OH radical. They both have strong oxidation ability, and then decompose some of the organic materials into, in some cases, CO2 and water. So very useful to decompose the contaminated solutions. Okay. Oh yeah, they are called active oxygen species. Here is another system for application of photocatalyst, which is a TiO2 platinum solution system. And in many applications of photocatalyst, the semiconductor materials are given with a form of powder, meaning the particles. And also, in many cases, co-catalysts like platinum, gold, and some other rhodium noble metal co-catalysts are frequently used for enhancing the photocatalytic ability. And let's think about what will happen in terms of the energy diagram. So as we mentioned, the TiO2 mostly like Schottky contact with solution, and this co-catalyzed metal, and since Fermi energy is here, the Fermi energy must match for present case and a TiO2. So since TiO2 has limited size range, you can see like something like this. So this side also some sort of change. Okay. So when the light is illuminated, so again, electron holes are generated. It's going like this way. So, and this hole is used for oxidation reaction. And actually, in this case, this electron based on the energy diagram, it can go inside, but this problem is there are several researches, but not clear much. But electron is captured by noble metals, and that's enhance the catalytic reaction. And this kind of things is always in research is not so much clear about this. So, but the only thing I can mention for importance is this hole in this electron must be separated. Otherwise, once this electron and the holes are coming together, the both are lost because the electron, which is called a recombination. And then no reaction could happen. But for example, in this case, this electron is captured by platinum and hole are localized for TiO2 case. This electron and holes are separated. That's why both electron and hole can have some reaction, some different type of reactions. That's why it could induce several different type of reactions. So in any cases, these charges, electrons and holes, must be separated. Okay.